See, and a little baby one as well. They got out. Roger's still stuck in there, so I've got to work out how they're getting out. I fixed a few spots, but we just worked it out today. Roger. Don't you bastard. So the only way to sort Roger out is carry a stick. See, as soon as you carry a stick, he stops. But anyway, we're going to head down, look at the tractor. We've got to keep an eye on him and show you what else we've got to do today. But I'm pretty sure the sheep are getting under that fence there somewhere. But I worked it out. Look. Ah, shit, I need a stick. So they think I'm going to go to the down to feed them, which is down the back there. Now they're all following me. But before I go any further, I might go grab myself a stick before Roger starts to charge me again. Oh, oh, here he comes, here he comes, here he comes. No, Roger. I'm not I'm not feeding yous. I'm just opening the gate. I've really got to get one of those gimbals that don't shake. Yes, Roger, I'm watching you. Don't. Fuck you. See? Pole. Don't. That line me up. So, he's pretty good. He's going to pay him play with him. He's a really good sheep. Or ram. But unfortunately, he's a rascal. See if I can show you this. Watch, if you think you don't have a stick, we'll charge you. Nah, you can see the stick. Guys, I'm not going to feed you. I'll do that later. Okay? Let's swap. Let's go to a small one. As you can see, I've got a few sticks lying around. Roger, don't. So this is the other project. Roger. Rascal. See? Just waiting to hit me. The other thing I've got to do today is this. I want to put that back on the tractor. The reason why I took that off is because I'll show you up here. I'll let a bit of this out so I don't see so much of me just walking around. Yeah, you got to keep an eye on him. Okay, this is Bluey, my old tractor. As you can see, the top's off because I put a new battery on it. And because of the fittings on this and this bar here, you can't tip the hood up to get to the battery. So I had to take the hood off, put the new battery in. Now I've got to put the hood on, but the problem is, if this, so I can trickle charge this, there's a big vent up here, big shielding up here. There was a hood, but I've got a shielding here, so you can't get to the battery at all. So, and do a trickle charge, you can't get to it. So what I have to do is got to get a few extensions to come off from the battery. So once I put the hood on, I can just clip up the clamps so I can trickle charge it. And the tractor is cold. Just that different. It's all clean. Now let's just check our level. This is a multi-combination oil. It's actually gearbox oil as well as hydraulic. Yeah. Plenty of oil. I did actually change this oil about 6 months ago with a few rallies. So now this is an old girl, old Ford. So I just gotta put a neutral, and I've actually got to oh, forgot. Okay, this is an old girl, so I just put a neutral, and I've actually got to choke it for a bit. So I'll fast forward this. It's a good old girl. This fella here, it's a Ford 1900cc, about a 1982 model. It's a four-wheel drive and limits the diff as well. Has the bucket, that slips off, and you got your forks, and obviously you got your slasher there. So I'll see how I go for time. Might try to get the cover back on before this bloke turns up and get some rocks. Otherwise I'll just shoot over, get the hood out, but also top up the diesel, and I think the guy will be here to get the rocks, and I'll do the hood later. So yeah, that's Bluey. Yeah, I'll go up with you. He loves you. His name's Arthur. So yesterday, or the other day, we spoke about the sheep getting out. So I just this morning got some logs from down the back, put them against there. So that seems to solve the problem for the moment. So until I find another spot, it's just so dry at the moment. They're trying to get through up into the other paddock to get the green grass, but I've got grass going down the back there. I've got the water sprinklers going down the back there, so they'll have got plenty of green grass down the back. And there's a lake down there and all the other stuff, so they're pretty good. But yeah, no, and so what I want to do is now work on this tractor, put the hood back on. G'day guys, welcome back. Hey, just want the other day we spoke about how I was going to put the hood back on because of this bar here, the hood won't go all the way up to get to the battery or charge it or do anything like that. So I had to take the hood off. So I got the new battery in. So I ran these cables, they're all heat shrinked in. They're all connected up, so when I put the hood back on, there's a gap here. I can feed these through, and I still can do trickle charge or jump it if I have to. This is 6mm, fully insulated, so I can use these to jump it if I have to because they're well and truly strong enough. Yeah, so I'll start the girl up and let's go chuck the hood on. There, it's done. Hood's back on. The old girl's got a cover now, so that was fairly easy, fairly straightforward. Hey Audrey, yeah, I just got to tidy those cables up a bit, tuck them away and put a proper end on them, but yeah, that's done. Now, I thought I'd just show these bees. Got a little beehive down here, and I should just show the beehive. Okay, this is the beehive. So around here is the viewing area, so you can just have a look. Oh, wrong way. See? So the bees are in there making the honeycombs and that. So this is the outside one. The inside ones are fairly full, so I'll probably drain some honey out of that soon. The broad box down the bottom, that's all full, so I'm never going to touch that. That's for them. And this here, hopefully it won't upset them too much. Okay. So this is how this works. So all these in here, these chambers in here, you put your tube in here, put a tool in there, it cracks it, all these move, and the honey drones out. But you can check out their webpage, Honey Flow Hive, something like that. I'm not sure. They're not endorsing this at all. I'm just bought one of these because you know, I'm not a beekeeper, but I love honey. And they've got plenty of water. Just there, that's why I put them down here. There's a lake down there, Lake Ellie, and yeah, that's it. Thanks guys, I'll see you later.